Welcome to Cusby Cam Farms. We are Heather and Kimmy, best friends for over 30 years. Together we are building a shipping container tiny home on 73 acres in northern Idaho. We have slowly been working on this build as we increase our skills so that we can continue to grow this homestead. Later this summer, we will be working on a pole barn that we have milled from lumber off of the property. Make sure that you subscribe so that you can follow the journey. Hey, good morning, guys. So, I think it's IMOUMLIVE. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but they sent us a pole saw and wanted us to try it out. And we really need to because we have all these trees over here that we need to cut limbs from. So this has been on our to-do list, so I'm going to get to it today since this came in. There will be a link in the description below where you can get this, and on Tuesday the 30th, May 30th, Amazon is having a 25% day. So that would be the best day to order it because then you'd get an additional 25% off. So we chose the 8-inch pole saw. It weighs about 9 pounds, so that should be really easy for me to use. But let's see how it comes out. I already cut the tape, so we could get along this a little bit quicker. But this is how it will come to you. It gives you the manual. What is this? And all the different languages that you may need to tell you what's in it. So you have your manual, you have a bag of tools, we got the 8-inch chainsaw. This is pretty cool. We already have the 6-inch and we absolutely love it. We get trying to think of what this is called. A harness, a thing to hold it onto your body. Strap. These straps work really well. Actually, this one looks like it goes over your shoulder. This will help you hold it while you're cutting down so you don't have to hold the entire amount. You have an extra handle here. Some safety glasses. A charger. A battery for that charger. So this is a 21 max lithium battery for our power source there. And then the pole. And this pole will go up to 10 feet. It'll extend out. So I'm really excited to be able to give this a try. I have to tighten these. Oh. I got a little excited. Jumped the gun. It's pretty common. It's pretty common on this channel. So I'm going to be able to get really high up into these trees and clear those lower branches. A lot of them are dead, so they're just ugly. But basically, we keep hitting our heads and stuff as we're walking through. So let's give this thing a go. apparently I really think that I know what I'm doing because I'm going to give myself very little to use here. Okay, there we go. Hey, are you ready? Are you going to hold the ceiling fan for me? Mm-hmm. You crazy, both of y'all. I've been wearing my reading glasses, so now I can't really see. Okay, so what I did here was I ran the direct power to the ceiling fan and then went from here to the light switch. And there is a way to wire it. I just watched a video on it. I'll link the video below if I remember to. So that's what's kind of messing me up here. And, you know, I'm not an electrician anyway, but yeah. So now I have to bring the power to the light switch and then back up to the come on, buddy. Didn't cut. Back up to the ceiling fan. I've put ceiling fans in before. I've just not, it's just everything's been existing. So this is all new. Here's the worst part of all this. I have red lipstick all over my hand. Got it all over my sweatshirt earlier.
You're a crazy party girl, apparently.
Yeah. Okay, so this hangs there while I'm attaching all the wires. That's how that goes. This is why you want extra long wiring up there, because... And then they give you the terrible wiring that's like the little splayed ends on these. These are terrible. Where we add the black tape to the white wire so that we know the white wire is a hot wire. So we went black to black, so this one is now a black wire. There we go. So it says attach the black and the blue to black. And then white to white, but I don't have a cap, so I need to see if I can find a cap. Okay, this is absolutely not right, but I don't have a wire nut, and I want to get this up out of the way. So I'm going to put those together. You guys, we don't have any power running to in here, so that at least I can get this up and get the ceiling fan up, get this box up off the floor and out of our way. But I'll have to come back and add a nut and connect these two wires. So we'll leave ourselves a note for that. And I think I made a drill.
You know you said no. You said no.
This fan doesn't like me. It's official.
You're just saying, Grandma, you know you're saying no.
So basically I'm putting this up to just take it down again and create a platform. And I'm trying to not have a heat stroke up here. Hey guys, this pole saw tree limber, it did exactly what it says it's supposed to do. I was able to get up pretty high and get some of these dead limbs cut down off of the tree. It's easy to handle, it's lightweight. It does not come with the bar oil, so make sure you have some of that on hand so that you can get started right away. It came with the battery charged at 2, so we have it on the charger now so that we can come back and finish this later this evening, but it's getting hot today. But I'm going to put a description in the link below, and remember that Amazon has a 25% off sale on the 30th, and that's tomorrow. So you guys, if you think you were looking for one of these, I recommend this one. You can also detach the little hand saw and you can do some things closer to the ground. So it's a great little addition. The other pole saws that I had did not have that option, and so I would recommend this one over those, just because then you have a smaller chainsaw, which we've used ours quite a bit. So thanks for hanging out with us today. It's beautiful out. We're getting ready for summer, and I think we're going to be using this all year long. Bye guys.